This video will show how to set up a Metricool account from start to finish to schedule your social media posts. If you don't have an account with Metricool, when you come to the main metricool.com page, you're going to click here to create an account. Just fill out your name and password, go to your email and verify your email, and you'll be able to log in. When you come back to the main page, sign up is up here, log in. You're going to put in your name and password. And get into the account. This is going to show you when you first log in your options for the accounts that you can sync. You can sync Twitter, TikTok ads, your Facebook, your LinkedIn, your Google My Business, your Instagram. You can do your ads through here. But this is how it's going to look if you are not already signed up. It'll look differently once you have an account synced when you log in. So just for an example, I'm going to connect to my Twitter. I'm already logged into Twitter, so it's just going to pull it in. You can connect your LinkedIn here. Okay, so I need to be on a premium to do that. And I'll talk about that in a second. Facebook allows you to pick your company pages that you manage. So you can scroll down, pick a page that you want to link to that account. When you want to do other accounts beyond the freebies, you need to become a premium member, and it'll tell you that you have to upgrade. The starter is fine. That's usually what we do. Just make sure that you are on dollars. Monthly is the choice, unless you want to pay yearly, that's your choice, but monthly, and then fill out your billing information. Once you have all of that filled out, you'll be able to link multiple brands, multiple platforms. And again, that's all under the planning tab. Let me log out just super quick. Just once you have an account synced, when you log in, it looks a little differently. Get your account synced, upgrade to your premium. Once you have your account synced and you logged in, you're going to come to your analytics page. So you'll be able to see your metrics for each of your brands. You can switch through them. If you want to change the brands that you have set up, that's under brand settings, and that'll take you right back to the original page that you logged into when you were syncing your accounts. If you want to get rid of an account or you put the wrong one in there, you simply just get rid of it, X off of it, and you can do that. I will resync it just to show for the purpose of this. Go back to the summary page. Up here, planning is where you're going to do your posts. So if you hit the planning tab, you'll see a calendar. You can create a new post. This is where you're going to type your post. Up here is your time zone. Publish now if you want to publish it now. If you click on this, this is where you can control the date and time. This is where you control your social media accounts that you want to post on. So they'll all show here. If you add a Facebook, a LinkedIn, TikTok, it'll show what it's posting to up here. So you can get rid of it. You can just click on it, add, click. So that's how you add multiple posts. And decide what network it's going to. If you want photos, this is add an image, add a video, stock images. If you don't have an image, you could do 4th of July. See, for example, I wanted to do that one. I could do Happy 4th, and I could come here and I could schedule it for the 4th. And then I just save it. Or if I want to publish now, I publish now. And that's how you post. I'm just going to cancel out of that. When you're in your calendar, if you want to move to a month view, if that's easier to see, day, week, month, so that you can see, it'll show you what you have posted on all of your days. You can move your posts from block to block if you want to move them. And that is essentially how the scheduling works.